This video is designed to assist you in successfully installing your low-profile tonneau cover with the 4000 series tonneau hardware kit. Remember, BACKRACK has gone to a 2-kit system on all applications, so make sure you have the right hardware for your specific truck and back rack. All information can be found on our website, www.backrack.com, under the Spec My BACKRACK section. Let's begin the installation process. With the truck box cleaned and ready to install, open the kit on the tailgate and familiarize yourself with the parts required for the install. Confirm the package is factory sealed and review the instruction sheet and the parts list. At this point, if you're missing any of the parts, contact the seller or BACKRACK and we will make things right. BACKRACK uses specially engineered bolts that are specific to your truck application. For the 2016 F-150, the stake pocket bolt is pre-assembled in the factory. Disassemble the nut, lock washer, flat washer, and aluminum washer from the bolt assembly. Leave the aluminum oval washer on the bolt. Place the bolt down through the stake pocket, aligning the oval portion of the aluminum washer with the forward factory punched hole. Once lined up correctly, replace the hardware on the threaded portion of the bedside of the truck. Leave the nut snug, but not tight, to allow for the remainder of the install. Next, install the shim plate. This plate has the round 9/16 inch stud face out on one side. This keeps the stake pocket bolt in the correct place on the bed and levels the rack with the ribs on the plastic bed cap. Please note that on the 5.5 feet F-150, the plate is required, but the rib must be cut out to allow the shim plate to fit. The pin will face to the front of the truck, with a threaded vertical portion of the stake pocket bolt at the rear of the pocket. Next, install the rail support plate with the 45-degree bent edge to the outside of the truck. Prior to installing the plate, place the two-sided tape on the plate to keep in position on the truck rail. This plate will provide support and give your rack a finished look. The 40123 kit comes with a set of 1-inch risers. The risers allow the rack to clear the thickness created by the tonneau cover. Install the anti-slip rubber adhesive strips on the riser and the back rack stickers. The risers are left and right. The slots are offset for clearance depending on the cover installed, so make sure that you line them up or move them from right to left to get the best look and fit. The riser has multiple holes for other applications. You will line the riser up to keep clearance from the rear window, using the holes shown in the video. The rail mount brackets are installed on the rack prior to installing on the truck. With the rack flat on the tailgate and the back rack stickers facing up, place the driver's side and passenger side brackets on the rack. Installation of the head bolt is critical, so follow instructions closely. The clearance between the bolt head and the rear window is minimal, so correct installation is critical. The carriage head bolt must be installed correctly and prior to putting on the truck. Place the whole assembly on the truck over the stake bolts. For safety reasons, we recommend using a second person for this part of the installation. Once all is on the truck, tighten the bolts gradually to the correct torque, as outlined in the instruction packet. That's it! Your BACKRACK is installed and ready to go with a 4000 series hardware kit. Make sure to visit our website for a complete parts guide using our Spec My BACKRACK section.